What's going on, guys? Back at the shop. Today is a very special day because today is the day the dyno finally goes back in. Right now we're actually waiting on a really big tow truck to come over. It will be picking it up with the crane on the back of the truck and dropping it in. Brent just got back. He was over in Vegas doing trophy truck races, and he was also with Derek, one of his customers, helping him at the track out in Vegas as well. But Brent is back, but they are all just waiting on that tow truck to come for the dyno, and right now we are still working on some more on the upstairs. We got quite a bit done that I didn't film. All the drywall is pretty much done, as you can see. Pedro's been up here knocking it out. We had to cut around for the windows. The only piece left that needs to get done is right here where the TV and stuff is going to be going. So this pocket right here is obviously for the TV. Then we'll have 2 more pockets for random stuff, maybe like a sound bar, and then just whatever can go down here, like an Xbox, things like that. And right now Pedro is currently getting it all mudded up. He's going over all of the drywall screws, getting those covered, going over all the seams, and just knocking it out. So that's where we're at for right now. I'm gonna pick back up once the tow truck gets here, and we'll get that dyno thrown back in. It's gonna be a good day. Oh shit, today's the day.
Today's the day.
Just don't put your toes under that.
Yeah. Only do it once.
Have you got 2 feet?
Yeah, there's a spare.
You got more toes.
Yeah. Those bionic things are pretty rad.
That's a big trip.
Yeah. So
that's for flipping semis over and stuff.
Some guys rent cranes. I call them tow truck buddy. With a fast ass car. Read the side of it, it says we don't want your arms or legs, we just want your toes, so put your toes under.
Oh,
yeah, toes are cool.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, that's what it literally says on the side of the truck.
Oh, on the truck, yeah. We don't want your arms. Oh, we don't want an arm and a leg, just your toes. That's funny. Pit is dry.
They got their little measurements down there, got the washers up.
Hank got the good measurements.
Guys already put the nuts on there.
Yep.
For the dyno to rest on.
2 washers. So.
Hyped up?
I'm hyped, bro. I'm actually super pumped. My baby's going back in.
He put his phone on it. It's serious.
Yeah,
serious?
phone went to airplane mode.
Oh, yeah.
Can't be taking calls.
Yeah, 191 people, dude. See this.
Yo.
Pablo's on yours? Hell no. I see how it is, Pablo.
That stud lines up with that hole, right?
Yep. And then there's 2 more on the back side. There and there.
Oh yeah, those 2.
Yep.
Just 3 of them total.
Alright. I look awesome.
Yeah, you do.
No, like look down, like through the hole.
Oh yep.
Straight to the bolt.
Emilio's up there getting the angles.
Yep. Yep. I was looking back there.
Pretty good on this side. Yeah, come on down.
I think come forward a little bit. My way.
Kelly.
Yep, right there.
Yep.
Alright.
We're on mine.
Huh? We're on mine.
Yep. Alright.
Are we on yours?
Oh, we're on mine.
Good.
Oh shit.
Let it sit down.
Look at that. It's perfect.
Now we just need level.
Yes.
Hold on, don't unhook it yet.
Yes.
Don't unhook it yet.
Pedro for president just jumped out. It's the same on that side. We're good.
Yeah, we're good. What about on the back? Hey, check the back. good.
That side's a little higher, but this side's perfect.
Yeah, this side can come down about 1/8 inch. Well, if we hook him back up, pick it up, we can have another couple spins on the top.
Level it out a little bit.
Okay, try that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Oh.
If I don't like it, that's where it's gonna be. I'm ready to.
Dyno and car. We're on Daytona.
This fits that way. It's good. Nah, it's good. Drop some rock title. That's what we got at the moment.
Yeah, that last
I got a bigger
one was
print.
What's that?
I said this is what we got to work with right now.
Yep. We need a crescent wrench. All we have is some channel locks. If we wanted to dyno it today, though, we'd have to get some bull rings in the ground.
We can go get those too. You got the hammer drill, so we just gotta knock them in and screw them down and
Send it.
send it. I'm gonna go get the D-rings, the plates.
Will your plate still cover that?
We need to get the rods for this side
Rods.
too.
I'll get everything.
The rods, the cables, the stack, the air hose. We can run it off my compressor for now.
Yeah.
Because we've got.
I'll have you blowing it.
But will your old plate still cover all this?
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's
Yeah, this
that's
is
about the
actually-
same size, right?
Yeah, this is actually a little smaller than the
Oh, I thought it was a little bigger.
this way.
It's been a
This
while.
is what you do.
No, I'll just come hang out and just walk on the
This is what you
dyno.
do.
Yeah, let's not go too fast.
I'm trying to slow down.
With no steel cover.
Yeah.
You're gonna get my foot sucked up in there.
It only happened once or twice. And then
Is it weird that you can see the whole thing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I've seen it like over there so often now that it doesn't look weird to me without the covers.
Yeah.
Running on it.
When I first saw it without the covers, it was really weird looking,
Yeah, 'cause they're
but
so big.
but now I'm used to seeing it naked, so
Yeah.
it might look weird with the covers back on it, honestly.
It's in the ground, people.
The dyno's back in her hole.
And look how easy that was.
Like a twin
He'll probably
mattress
put his
right
bed
there.
down there.
Yeah.
That's where Brent's gonna live from now on.
Get out of your head, bro.
So do you just keep going until you crash?
Yeah, he does.
Just like with the RC car.
She's in.
She's in. It's done. Done.
Alright, let's wire this thing up.
I know.
The 240 is ready. It's
I gotta
good.
run to my house and grab all my stuff.
Well, get going.
Don't run.
I
Use
know.
your truck.
He just wants to look at
I'm
it.
in awe, yeah.
That's how I am. I
Yeah.
just like staring at it.
All that preparation and seeing the hole is sick. And it went so good. Like everything was exactly.
That lined up so perfect.
Yeah. Almost like we knew what we were doing. Don't tell him.
I got the studs right in the right spots. Didn't have to hammer on one of them.
Nope. The edges.
We got the mud master in the building.
See, look, he's doing it for real.
I know. I told you it was good for that. Look. I tested it out at Home Depot.
Well, oh, yeah. Yeah, don't step on those. I feel like someone put a lot of time putting these in.
Probably. But
I don't see
Has to
why.
go.
Oh yeah,
ugly.
that was the style back in the day.
Yeah, I guess maybe they kept the turkeys up here. I don't know. I don't know why they have this wire.
I know, I don't know either. Just save some of this stuff and make a chicken coop outside. Get some fresh eggs.
Get us some hens. Boosted hens.
Boosted hens.
Oh, this stuff goes behind. Taking it off.
Why are you taking that off?
Bro, he's creating muscles right now. He's working out. Leave him alone.
Yeah, Pedro knows.
Oh, just let him be.
We need these off though.
Yeah, yeah.
But you want to leave this 2x4 though?
Yeah, leave the two up because this is gonna be the wall for the door.
Along the door. Just get the bottom one.
Careful with that tetanus board. There it is.
Yeah. Sucks. We still have to clean it all off around the edges.
Just throw that shit out. It's just a mess. Looks way better now. All open.
It looks so much better now.
Whoa.
Got it. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we got the dyno put in not too long ago, and after we got that put in, we came back up here. Pedro's been knocking out this wall. He's just been mudding all day, and it's looking really, really good. He's starting to get the little entertainment center all finished, and we were taking this wall apart right here. We got all of this wire that was in this space right here. We got all that ripped out. We ripped out all the existing, there's like some plywood right here, 1/4 inch plywood. We got all that ripped out because we need to drywall all of this, and we do plan on putting some windows up here. So we plan on putting one big window right in this area. We're going to knock this 2x4 out, and then this is all going to get drywalled. That's going to get drywalled behind the window back there, and then we still have to rip all this wire out right here on this side, get all this chicken wire off, and then take this wood off too right here, drywall all that, and then we're going to put 2 smaller windows, one right here, and then one right here, and then we will drywall in between those, and that should look pretty good. That's the plan. We already went to Home Depot and looked at some windows, and they already had some that were pre-made that are going to work great for the space we have to work with. Pedro said that we can just easily make a new frame for them, get the windows in place, and then drywall around them. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. This looks way better without all that chicken wire. And also another thing is this vent right here. This is for the hot water heater, and this went right in the middle of the room, kinda right through here. And earlier today I unscrewed it and dropped it down. We need to get rid of that completely. And what we're gonna actually do is we are going to 90 it in the bathroom. And then we are going to cut a section of this 2x4 out right here, put a hole through the floor there, and then we got this oval tubing at Home Depot, and that is actually going to sit in the wall like that. We're going to run this all the way up, go through the ceiling right here, and then up in the attic we're going to 90 that into the old vent, so then you won't see this at all. It'll be completely in the wall, and this is going to be a section where it's going to be a wall, so the window is going to go there, this will be a wall, then we'll have our pipe running through the wall, and then we also need Jordan to come back over. He's the plumber, and he's going to move this gas line for us. This is a natural gas line that's right in the middle of the room for some reason. We're also going to put that right along with this in the wall, so you won't see this anymore. We are going to leave the existing gas line right here and just paint over it. It'll look fine, but we need to get this out of the way for sure, and then once we get that exhaust vent out of the way, that's going to clear up a whole bunch of space up here. But yeah, that's where we're at for right now. I think we're getting out of here pretty soon, but definitely got a lot more done today.
What's up, man?
Got the plate. Oh yeah.
Closer.
Hell yeah. Because they're too short?
Yeah. Because it's definitely longer.
Oh, it's longer now?
Oh, bigger. This is,
Yeah, it looked a little bigger.
This plate is bigger.
I remember when I had to get down there and I had like this much space. Now it looks like you can actually...
Yeah.
No, I can get down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured. I'd get a cot hanging between the two.
Maybe a hammock.
A hammock, yeah.
Just swing back there or...
I mean, you need a hammock. I got one in the RV.
Well, I got
You just
spot to
need
hang
some,
it.
like, we just need like some strike anywhere matches.
You want me to get it for you?
The cigar and while it's rolling, just...
How fast is that, dog?
It's like...
Fast.
It's probably just a couple miles an hour. Getting out of here for tonight.
Getting out of here for tonight. Finish it all up tomorrow.
Dyno's in.
It's there, finally.
Yeah, not ready to dyno a car yet though.
Nope, hopefully tomorrow evening.
Yeah, this pit's a little bit bigger than his old one, so the plates that are supposed to go over that gap aren't big enough, so gonna have to make some new ones of those. And what else? Still have to get the D-rings in the ground so we can strap the cars.
I gotta find my breakout board, and that's about it. Everything else is here. So.
Set the TV up,
Yep.
get over there.
Yep. I need to go get a hanger for the wall. But it's right there.
It's in though.
Yeah. We got a lot done. And we're gonna paint it all up again too.
I mean, if we do that, we might be able to dyno a car tomorrow.
Well, even if we don't finish that, we can drive around.
Oh yeah, I'm back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Either way, we can do it.
Hell yeah.
I'm excited. So calm.
It's finally back in.
Yeah. It's somewhere. It's good. It's really good.
Dyno has a new home. Look at that.
Yeah. Get it all cleaned up. She's gonna look zzz.
Yeah, you need to get that rust off of there.
Yeah.
You need to get it.
I just need to go 150 miles an hour and hit the brake.
Alright guys, well, we're getting out of here for tonight, but the dyno is in. Pretty much the highlight of today. It was the highlight of today.
Here's the highlight of my
Yeah. Dyno is finally in the ground, so that is awesome. And we got a whole bunch done on the upstairs. We're gonna be back here tomorrow, and Brent's gonna be here as well, trying to get the dyno up and going.
Yep.
Maybe we can dyno the 240 tomorrow. Maybe.
goal. The goal.
If we have everything working right.
Yeah. Be rad.
But yeah, we're about to head out. Pedro's already waiting in the car. Don't know where he went.
He's staying warm right now. It's snowing outside, dude.
Yeah, we're gonna go make sure he eats good
Yeah.
for all the work he's been doing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
It looks
It
awesome.
looks way
So
different, dude. We're not even done yet.
Nope. Hopefully tomorrow, we're trying to get all the drywall hung up at least by tomorrow and get the windows in place. So that's the goal.
That's awesome.
It's coming along.
It is.
But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching.